Today we are going to be talking about precision farming and how it's revolutionizing agriculture. Hello and namaskar. This is Agriculture Tomorrow and welcome to the second episode for Food for Everyone with Shishir Ranjan. You see, precision farming is all about using technology to make farming more efficient and effective. It's about using data to make informed decisions about everything from planting to harvesting, and it's changing the way farmers all around the world do farming. So what exactly is precision farming? At its core, precision farming is about using data to make better decisions. This could mean anything from analyzing soil samples to use drones to map fields. It's all about gathering information and using it to make more informed choices about how to grow crops. One of the key benefits of precision farming is increased efficiency. By using technology to optimize everything from irrigation to fertilizer application, farmers can get more done in less time. This not only saves them money, but it also allows them to produce more food with less resources. But precision farming isn't just about efficiency, it's also about sustainability. By using data to make more informed decisions, farmers can reduce waste and minimize their impact on the environment. This means fewer chemicals in the soil, less water usage, and more responsible farming practices overall. Of course, implementing precision farming isn't always easy. It requires a significant involvement in technology, and it can be difficult to learn how to use all the tools and softwares available. But the benefits are clear. By embracing precision farming, farmers can improve their yields, reduce their environmental impact, and make farming a more sustainable and profitable business. So what are some of the technologies and techniques that farmers use in precision farming? Well, there are a lot of them. Some of the most common includes GPS mapping. By using GPS technology, farmers can create detailed map of their fields, which can help them to make more informed decisions about planting, irrigation, and many more. Soil sensors. These sensors can measure everything from moisture level to nutrient content in the soil, allowing farmers to optimize their fertilizer and irrigation practices. Drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles can be used to create highly detailed maps of the fields, as well as to monitor crops for signs of disease or stress. Variable rate technology. This technology allows farmers to vary the rate of fertilizer or pesticide application across a field based on data about soil quality and crop needs. Automated machinery. From self-driving tractors to robotic harvesters, automated machineries are becoming more common on farms all around the world. All of these tools and technologies are changing the way we think about agriculture. They are helping farmers to be more efficient, more sustainable, and more profitable than ever before. So that's all for today's episode of Agriculture Tomorrow. We hope you learned something new about precision farming and how it's transforming the world of agriculture. If so, then be sure to subscribe to our channel Agriculture Tomorrow and tune in as we explore the world of growing food sustainably. Together, let's create a more sustainable future for everyone. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon next time.